How do you calculate quotient of radicals without calculator? That is what we are going to learn in this particular video. The calculation will be done without calculator. Let us enjoy this journey of learning. Thank you. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we are going to answer a question from one of our subscribers. Let me thank all the viewers and subscribers for watching my videos, posting excellent comments and suggestions. This is your channel, and because of your questions, we are coming up with these beautiful solutions. Well, the question here is, we're given c equals to square root 2 over square root 3. Find the value of c accurate to two decimal places without calculator. So we need to find what is the value of c, which is equal to square root of 2 over square root of 3, and that too without calculator. So in this video, I'm going to show you a new technique to find square root without calculator. Well, to get there, let's first rationalize the expression given to us. So normally what you do is you really do not want square root 3 in the denominator. So you multiply and divide by square root 3. Now this process is called rationalization. And when you do so, you get square root 2 times 3, which is 6, in the numerator, and square root 3 times square root 3, which is 3, in the denominator. Now we need to find the value of square root 6 and then divide by 3 to get our answer. Perfect. So let us see how do we calculate the value of square root of 6 without calculator, right? So here we go. So we know we can now write this as square root of 6 over 3, right? These are equivalent expressions. So I have many videos on explaining exactly how do you do this special division and find square roots without calculator. I'm going to show you here. So we need to figure out what is square root of 6. So we have a very special division. Since we want two decimal places, let me put 4 zeros. You'll soon understand why 4 zeros. So we divide starting like a normal division. But there is one difference. You have to write the same number in the divisor and in the quotient. The number which can work for us is 2. Since 2 times 2 is 4, right? So 2 times 2 is 4. If I would use 3, 3 times 3 is 9, which is more than 6. So I cannot do 3 square. Remember, we are trying to find square root, not really a division, right? So the same number should come as a divisor and as the quotient. So 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. So the number is between 2 and 3. You get the idea? So now we'll subtract 6, take away 4 is 2. We'll bring down 2 zeros from the above instead of 1. So we'll full set, right? And then we are again continuing this special division. So what we do is we double this number. So twice 2 is 4. And now once again, we are looking for a number which could take this place. Exactly same number because we want kind of a perfect square, right? Okay, 4 times 5 we know is 20, but that cannot really be do because 5 times 5 is 25. We could put 4 here, right? So 4 and 4 can work. 4 times 4 is 16, 6, 1. 4 times 4 is 16 and 1 17. And when you take away, what do you get? Well, you get 4 here. And then taking away from 9, we get 2. So we get 24. Bring down 2 more zeros and continue the special division. So now, this time, you need to divide by twice 24, which is 48, right? And put a number on the same sides, correct? So, for 24, 5 could be a good choice. So, if I put 5, what do I get? So let's try it out. It may or may not work, right? So let's put 5 here. So if I put 5 on the top, we have to put 5 here also. Multiplying by 5, we get 5 times 5, 25. 2, 5 times 8, 40, and 2, 20, 42. 4, 5 times 5, 20, and 4 gives me 24. But it is slightly more, so we could assume that this could be 2.449 instead of 5, right? Because 25 is very close. Well, let's really check it out, right? So what we'll do here is that we have understood that 5 is slightly higher, so we cannot put 5. Instead, we will put 4 now, okay? So if I put 4, 4 times 4 is 16, 6, 4 times 8 is 32, and 1 is 33, 4 times 4 is 16, and 3, 19. And when I take away, what do I get? I get 4, from 9 we get 6, from 13 we get 4, and bring down 2 more zeros. This time you divide by twice the number in the quotient, which is 488. And we can try a big number, 9. As we saw last time, it was very close. 9 times 9 is 81, 8. 9 times 8 is 72, and 8 is 80. Again 8. 9 times 8 is 72, and 8 88. 9 times 4 is 36, and 8 gives us 44. So that is fine. So we see that square root 6 is 2.449, correct? So we get 2.449 in the numerator. Now we need to divide by 3. So that should be simple. Let's do it. So 2.449 dividing by 3. 0, correct? And then 24, 8 times. 2 goes 24. Bring down 4. We get 1 time 3. 1 and 9, 6 gives you 18. So we can write down the number as equal to 0.816, which rounds to 0.82. Makes sense. So square root 2 divided by square root 3, as we calculated, works out to be 0.82. As you can see, this is a very important division method, slightly different from regular division, where the same number is placed on the divisor as well on the quotient. I hope you have understood the process. You can also watch some more videos related to this special division. How do we find square root of a number without calculator? Makes sense, right? Thanks a lot for your time and all the best.